Hey everyone, it's Matthew. First, let me start with an apology. I know I've been away for a bit due to some illness, but I'm feeling much better now, and I couldn't wait to dive into today's topic. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered what cryptocurrency really is? Is it too late to start trading? And what's the best coin to invest in right now? If any of these questions have crossed your mind, stay tuned, because this video is just for you. And trust me, you're going to want to hear about one surprising coin that might just be the dark horse of 2024. Let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency, often called crypto, is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure transactions. Unlike traditional money issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks called blockchains. No banks, no middlemen, just you and the digital world. Think of it like this: cryptocurrency is rewriting the rules of money. But how does trading work, and why are so many people getting into it? I'll explain that in just a bit. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or maybe even Dogecoin. These are just a few examples of crypto coins. Each coin has its own purpose. Bitcoin, the first ever cryptocurrency, often seen as digital gold. Ethereum, not just a currency but a platform for building decentralized apps. Dogecoin, initially started as a joke, but now it's a community-driven coin with real value. Did you know that the total value of all cryptocurrencies combined is over $2 trillion? That's more than the GDP of most countries. Now, let's talk about trading. Crypto trading involves buying and selling coins to make a profit. There are different styles of trading, such as day trading, buying and selling within a single day. Swing trading, holding onto coins for days or weeks to profit from market trends. Hodling, a playful term meaning hold on for dear life, where you keep your coins for years, waiting for massive gains. But here's the catch. Crypto trading is as risky as it is exciting. Want to know why some people lose big? Keep watching. Now, the golden question. What are the best coins to invest in today? Bitcoin, still the king of crypto, especially for long-term investments. Ethereum, with its upcoming upgrades, it's poised for growth. Solana, known for lightning-fast transactions. Polkadot, a coin that connects multiple blockchains, creating a seamless network. Avalanche, gaining popularity for its speed and low fees. But remember, not every coin is a goldmine. I'll discuss the risks toward the end of the video, so don't miss it. Here are a few tips if you're just starting. Do your research. Learn about the coin's purpose and team. Start small. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Use reputable exchanges. Platforms like Coinbase and Binance are beginner-friendly. Beware of scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And yes, there are scams that have drained millions from investors. I'll touch on that shortly. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the other side of the coin: risks. Cryptocurrency can be incredibly volatile. One day, your investment might skyrocket, and the next, it could plummet. There are countless stories of people who've lost everything chasing quick profits. So, now tell me, are you prepared for the ups and downs of crypto trading? Can you spot the red flags of a potential scam? Is the potential reward worth the financial and emotional risk for you? Take a moment to think about these questions before diving in. Remember, investing is about being smart, not just lucky. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone curious about crypto. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Until next time, stay informed and trade wisely.